Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. I have done a video of my morning routine and this time I'm doing my evening routine. So without further ado, let's jump into what I did last night basically, because why not? By the way, it's a 70s bathroom. The walls are yellow. I am wearing a yellow sweater and the lighting is yellow. So feast yourself on a vision from the past. So my evening routine is quite similar to my morning routine. The only difference is the last thing that I will do. But the very first thing that I would do is wash my face, and I'm taking the Pink Grapefruit face wash by Creighton's. That looks like this. And first I will wet my face, obviously. And before I wet my face, I always like to wash my hands to make sure they are clean to work with. Then I take about this much of the face wash. I like to pat it dry so that I still have a bit of moisture on my face and I don't take everything away. Then I'm taking my Pure and Care niacinamide and panthenol serum that looks like this. And I use about this much for my face and neck. And I feel like it has helped with my breakouts. I really feel like it has. I like to rinse off my hands between each use of product. Then I'm taking my Nivea Rose Care face moisturizer, and I don't have a lot left, but I bought more, and I take about this much, I think. The last thing that I put on is Vaseline. So I have this much left. I bought a new one, but I want to use this first, obviously. And I just put that underneath my eye. And I do this right after I moisturize. That way I lock everything in. And it just helps with my dry under eyes, because it's the one area of my face that is exposed all year round. I don't know if I've said this before, but if you think about it, you wear a beanie and a scarf in wintertime when it's really cold, which means this part is exposed. But then in summertime, this area is still exposed even though the rest of your face is exposed. And it's the one constant thing for me. I like to put some on the tip of my nose as well. I actually keep this in my nightstand just because I might drink some water before I go to sleep, and then this is what I will put on after I drink water. But this is, yes, the W7 Strawberry Overnight Lip Mask, and it looks like this. I think it's the dupe for Laneige lip mask, and I just put that on my lips. The last thing that I like to put on is actually deodorant and spray, like 2 sprays of perfume, just because I like to do that. And that is literally all I do. The perfume that I'm currently using is the La Rive I Am Ideal, and the deodorant that I'm currently using is actually Nivea's antiperspirant or something. I don't remember the name specifically. And so that is everything I do in the evening. And I have the products here that I mentioned that I didn't remember the actual name of. The deodorant that I use in the evening is Nivea's Dry Comfort, which is this one right here. I have it here in the bedroom because it just makes it easier. And this is an 48-hour protection antiperspirant, which makes a whole lot of a difference for me. And I like to put that on in the evening. I like to spray some perfume on myself just because I like to smell nice all the time. And that is my evening skincare routine. I don't like to use too much product, but I do like to use a little more in the evening just because that's when it's going to be absorbed into my skin. I'm not going to have any makeup on, and I'm not going out and about in the world getting, well, dirt on my face because the world is not clean, even if you live in the countryside. And so that is all I have for you today. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And I want to thank all of my subscribers, everybody who watches, comments, likes, shares my videos. I love you so much, and I appreciate every single one of you. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.